Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Make a quick backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Apps to confirm the exact version you want removed. Disable auto-update in the store so updates won't reappear. Next, note whether the app is system-level or user-installed. This changes the removal method. You're now ready to proceed to uninstall updates or sideload an older APK, depending on your platform and permissions. Now execute the core removal steps. On Android, tap Uninstall Updates or use ADB to remove a specific APK, clear cache/data to revert settings. On iOS, offload then reinstall via MDM or Apple Configurator if you control the IPA. Otherwise, delete and restore a backup with the older version. On desktop, use the Package Manager or App Cleaner to delete updated components, then reinstall the desired release. Make sure to finish, install the target version and keep auto-updates disabled. You should run the app and restore any backed up data. Verify core features function correctly. If the app fails, clear caches and app data, then reinstall the same signed build. If system drivers or dependencies broke, roll back those updates or use a restore point. For managed devices, push a configuration that blocks the newer version. One key tip: always keep a verified backup and the exact signed installer. Without it, rolling back can be impossible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.